After the bitter breakup with the NCP, Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan has questioned the timing of the NCP's decision to end the alliance. Chavan tweeted this morning saying NCP breaking alliance with us immediately after Shiv Sena BJP parted ways. Curious coincidence, maybe new alliance in the offing. Let's get a word from Headlines Today's Pankaj Upadhyay, who is in Mumbai tracking developments for us. Pankaj, Prithviraj Chavan may be hinting that the reason why the NCP broke ties with the Congress is to tie up with the BJP.
Simi, in fact, Headlines Today was the one that had asked the CM this very question, to which he had answered that he would not like to make public his sentiments at that particular moment. But he did say that he was getting to know that perhaps NCP was in talks with the BJP as well. Now, what happens from here on, Simi, the entire political equation in the politics of Maharashtra is going to change from here on. Shiv Sena obviously is not all that a strong force as it was during the time of Bala Saheb Thackeray. It is a wounded tiger right now. But then it is also a political fight of survival for not just the Shiv Sena but for Uddhav Thackeray as well. As far as the NCP is concerned, it will be nursing that grudge against the Congress party. And so there are talks are right that it could combine with the BJP and MNS as well. But then let us also understand, if that happens, if MNS is brought into the fold, then already the Hindutva votes which are being divided will get further divided, because the migrants from UP and Bihar who have felt that nudge from the MNS chief, they will part away. But at the same time, right, Congress, it cannot side with the BJP, it cannot side with the Shiv Sena. Parting with NCP after this acrimony looks very, very unlikely. So, as I maintain, from here on is going to be a totally different ball game together. On their own, political analysts say neither the BJP nor the Shiv Sena nor the NCP can make any impact in politics of Maharashtra. So some new combinations and permutations are bound to come in.
Right.
What are they going to be? Perhaps a few hours from now, we will definitely have some sort of a clarity on that as well.
Pankaj, thanks so much for that update. Pankaj Upadhyay reporting on how new combinations and permutations are being worked out as far as parties in Maharashtra are concerned.